Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Proxmox repository. If you have installed Proxmox virtual environment, you may notice that when you run system update, you sometimes receive a subscription warning or repository error. In this video, I will explain what Proxmox repositories are, what are the difference between subscription and no subscription repositories, and how to configure the correct repositories for your lab or production environment. First, let's talk what is repository. A repository is basically a software source server where your system downloads, updates, security patches, and new packages. Since Proxmox virtual environment is based on Debian, it also uses Debian-style repositories to manage packages. What are the types of Proxmox repositories? In Proxmox, we have two main repositories. One we have no subscription, and one we have subscription repository. What is subscription repository? This is an enterprise repository. This repository is designed for production environments and companies that purchases an official subscription for Proxmox server. The advantages are it's highly tested and updated, it has stable packages and recommended for production infrastructures. But the enterprise repository requires a paid subscription. What is no subscription repository? The second one is the no subscription repository. This repository is free and available for everyone. The advantage is no license required. It's perfect for labs, home labs, and learning environments. But keep in mind, updates arrive faster in no subscription Proxmox virtual environment. Packages may not be as truly tested as enterprise updated. As we said, the style of Proxmox virtual environment is Debian based. So the package locate at etc apt sources.list, and we have etc update sources.list.d/all. Earlier we installed Proxmox virtual environment. One we have Proxmox virtual environment 9.1 and another we have 8.4. The repositories locate at select your Proxmox virtual environment. We have the repositories. These are the packages of Debian. We don't need to make any changes, but you can make the repository for Debians. Also, we have Enterprise Proxmox Debian CEPH. What is CEPH? We will go on and learn what is CEPH on later videos. Another we have Enterprise Proxmox. The component is pve-enterprise and the library is bookworm. In version 9.1, we have PVE, we have repositories. These are the two packages for Debian. And we have CEPH. What is CEPH? We will learn. And another we have Proxmox Debian PVE, which is pve-enterprise. By default, when you install Proxmox virtual environment, it selects pve-enterprise. But the package for version 9 is Trixie and version 8 is bookworm. If you want to update or upgrade, you cannot update or upgrade if you don't have any subscription. But how can we change pve-enterprise to pve-no-subscription? If you come to shell, if you update your system, you will face with an error or warning of your subscription. In here, the packages are ignored. You cannot update while you don't have any enterprise subscription. So how can we change our repository from pve-enterprise to to pve-no-subscription that we will be able to make updates. Come to shell. We have the source.list, apt, cd, etc, apt. We have sources.list.d. If you make ls, one you have CEPH.list and you have pve-enterprise.list. You have to make change to pve-no-subscription list. If you cut this file, this is the link that you make updates, upgrades, and security patches while you have a subscription key. If you don't have a subscription key, you have to make this, you have to remove pve-enterprise list or disable this list and create a new list of no subscription. How can you do this? First of all, let's disable your pve-enterprise subscription. You can make disable from here or from CLI. Select your pve-enterprise and make it disable. Now, Proxmox virtual environment repository is enabled. You do not get any updates. You have to enable pve virtual environment no subscription. How can you do this? I will provide the link that I will do. This is the solution. How can you disable the enterprise repository and enable the no subscription? First of all, you have to disable the enterprise repository. From CLI also you can disable, from GUI also you can disable, that we disabled. The location is etc apt sources.list.d. How can you enable the no subscription repository that you will be able to update and upgrade your package? This is the CLI command. Let's copy this and paste. Come to shell and make paste. Press enter. cd etc apt sources.list.d ls. We added pve repo list and we disabled pve-enterprise list. Let's cut the file. Now we disabled this repository. The hash means that this command will not run anymore. Let's cut another file, pve install repo.list. This is bookworm pve-no-subscription. All the updates will come from bookworm repository with no subscription value. Now you have to add the GPG key. Ctrl C, paste the key added. Now make update, apt update. Now the updates are working and this is fetching. 171 packages can be upgraded. Now you can upgrade. You are able to update and upgrade.